Hello children, today we are going to see Unit 2, Lesson 1, Trip to my grandparents' village. We are going to see this lesson in 3 parts. So, in this video, we are going to see part 1. Let us see the lesson now. It is a story about a boy called Santosh, how he spends his holidays with his grandparents' house, how he enjoyed. It is summer. Santosh's vacation has started. His parents are going to Sirumalai, his parents' village. Santosh is excited. He records an audio diary on his mother's phone. He records all his feelings during the visit. Later, he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's read this diary to know his experiences during this visit. Santosh is a boy whose vacation has started. His parents are going to his parents' village. That place is called Sirumalai. So he makes an audio diary in his mother's phone. Later, he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's read his diary to know his experiences during his visit. Now we are going to read the diary of Santosh. We know diary. It comes according to the date. We are going to see what he has written in his diary on 10th April. I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my clothes and tab for playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus. I am so excited. Already he spends few days with his grandparents. He says he was very eagerly waiting to visit his grandparent because if he goes there, he can able to meet his grandparents along with cousins. So he started to pack his things. What are the things he packed? He packed his clothes and video games. He says tomorrow they are going to travel. So he was very happy. He writes in his diary on 10th April. Then we are going to see 11th April. Today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both sides of the road. There is greenery all around. There are many white cranes in the lush green paddy field. The scarecrows have managed to scare away the crows in the fields. There is no traffic, noise and air pollution in the village. They might have started early morning because even though it was summer, the weather is pleasant. With this, we can understand they might have traveled early morning. When they were traveling, he tells us how the road appeared. On both sides of the road, he saw number of trees with yellow flowers. Everywhere he saw, it was green. He saw many white cranes were sitting on the paddy field. We can see paddy field in the villages. The cranes came there to eat the paddy. So he saw many white cranes were sitting on the paddy field. He saw scarecrow. What is scarecrow? A figure made to look like a person and put in a field to frighten birds away. The farmer made scarecrow and kept in the paddy field in order to scare the crow. And also there is no traffic, no air pollution and noise pollution in the village, because village is very less people only living, but in cities we have more population. So the place is very pleasant. So he enjoyed that scenery. They have reached the village. He ran to meet his grandparents. I get off the bus and run to meet my grandparents. They are delighted to see me. The house is surrounded by many big trees. There are a few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. The trees have abundant in fruits. My grandfather has plucked some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are juicy and sweet. As soon as he reached his grandparents' house, he ran to meet his grandparent. They are also very happy to see him. His grandparents' house is surrounded by many big trees. Not only big trees, they have jackfruit tree, mango, banana, pomegranate and coconut tree. The trees have lots and lots of fruits. Immediately his grandfather plucked some mangoes from the tree for him. He tasted the mangoes. It was very juicy and tasty. Okay children, the other two parts we can see other classes.